The secret to crispy fish tacos is in the batter. In this recipe, we're adding nor caldo di pollo for just the right amount of seasoning, complementing the fish perfectly. Mix in all dry ingredients, add the water gradually, stirring well, and mix in the mustard just until it's well combined. For the chipotle mayonnaise, mix together the Hellmann's mayonnaise and the Hellmann's ancho chipotle sauce. Place in a squeeze bottle and set aside. Prepare the avocado sauce. Blend the avocado, 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1/4 cup of water. You can use an immersion blender until smooth. Place in a squeeze bottle and set aside. Now you're ready to fry your fish. Place the fish in the batter, coat well, and place in the hot oil. Deep fry for about 3 to 4 minutes until crust is golden and crunchy. Remove with a slotted spoon. Heat the tortilla on a flat skillet until softened. Place the fish in the tortilla and then top with your garnishes. The cabbage, tomato, drizzle with chipotle mayo and the avocado sauce. So here is Baja fish tacos with Hellmann's mayonnaise and chipotle sauce.